National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hart County in north central Texas, southeastern Collin County in north central Texas, until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Farmersville, or 8 miles northeast of Wiley, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 2 inch hail and 65 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wiley, Greenville, Commerce, Roy City, Princeton, Farmersville, Wolf City, Cattle Mills, Celeste, Campbell, Merritt, Greenville City Lakes, Greenville Club Lake, Lake Tawakoni, Lavon, Nevada, Blue Ridge, Josephine, Lone Oak, and Malinville. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 79 and 109. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.